God is thicker than water. The light can never be overshadowed by darkness. The water can never be stopped. Flow. Without it, nothing survives. We do not pretend. We are who we are. You know us. We do not have anything to hide.
Hello, my sister Chama. Nice to see you this afternoon.
No matter how much we try to deceive ourselves, you know us.
Yes, I see you.
The world know us.
Gally, I see you.
Even in the dark, they can identify us.
Thank you guys. Please, as you're joining us, hit like button,
Some
like the video,
us change
so that
our name.
Know that we are live.
It doesn't change our identity.
PM. Yes.
Some of us change our look. It doesn't change our identity.
Not at all.
Some of us try to behave like Yoruba. It does not make Yoruba to see you as a Yoruba. Some of us try to behave like Fulani or Hausas. It doesn't make them see you as one of them.
Exactly.
Some of you really support evil in order to make them like you. It does not change the fact that you are who you are. We are who we are. No matter how hard we try to change who we are, it does not change who we are. Because blood is thicker than water. Yes. No matter what you do for a Yoruba man to like you, you are a Biafran. They can never like you. You are a threat to them. No matter what you do for Fulani man or a Hausa man to love you, they can never love you. You are Yamini.
Erin, I see you.
You can't change that. It is not your fault. You are not the one that created yourself to be so. So why don't you be proud of who you are and stand firm for what you are? Why are you trying to be what you are not?
I wonder.
Why are you pretending to be what you are not? Why are you fighting so hard to defend what you cannot keep? Living a fake life. Living a fake life. Some of you think that when you wear Agbada or you join Muslim, you are one of them. You are a bunko. You can never be one of them. Ariwa is Ariwa, Oduduwa is Oduduwa, Biafran is a Biafran.
Yes, sir.
You can't change that.
Yes, sir.
And this afternoon, I'm here to tell you that I am very proud of who I am. And I will ask you, do you know who I am?
Hey, my goodness.
I am very proud of who I am. And in my next war, I wish I would see be a Biafran. I'm proud to be a Biafran. I don't know about you. I'm very proud to be a Biafran. So whatever thing you think or do is your business. And then if you are also proud of being a Biafran, you must wake up to defend this lovely nation. It is a gift by Almighty God for you to be a Biafran. It is a gift for you to be a Biafran. Do you know that I've been crying? A Yoruba man wake up one day and say, Nnamdi Kanu was a Yoruba man. He could have liked it. A Hausa man wake up and say, Nnamdi is a Hausa man. He could have preferred it. It's a blessing to be a Biafran. It's a very big blessing to be a Biafran. So therefore, if you are a Biafran, if you are lucky to be a Biafran, appreciate God. If you are lucky to be a Biafran, appreciate God. Thousands and millions of people want to be like you. They wish to be like you. They pray so hard. You know the few who have seen the vision. Very few white people saw this vision. Do you understand me? Very white few Igbo people saw this vision. They know being a Biafran is a very big gift. Being a Biafran is a blessing. Being a Biafran is something you need. Then begin to queue up, marrying and Biafrans. Look at the race of white that are getting married to a Biafrans all over the world. Hey, you'll be surprised because they have seen what you.
Armstrong, good morning. BMO, good morning to you. Thank you guys for joining me tonight broadcast. Please just bear with me. Let's listen to commanders, then we can now commence our normal broadcast.
Biafrans. Yes. I'm very proud to be a Biafran. And that is the reason you see the darkness fighting so hard to ensure that this light is being subdued, but they cannot. They cannot. You see this light, we will shine this light and this light will remain shining forever. They can't quench it. No matter how hard they try to quench this light, they cannot quench it. They have spent enough money. They have put their best to see if they can stop this light of redemption. But their best see be as if they never start. When you try your best and your best is still remain nonsense, useless, you have no other option than to give up. Nigeria is giving up. Because there's nothing they can do.
Diana is here. Nice to have you, Diana. I see you.
They can do nothing.
How are you today?
And for those of you who did not see the possibility of Nigeria breaking into pieces, you will remain blind forever. You will remain blind forever. Because do you see this Biafra? It must be free. You can't stop it.
Yes, sir.
We are Biafrans. And I'm very proud to be that. So if you are also proud to be one, then Kelechuku for making you one. Okay? Or hey, Biafra.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for joining me this hour. We are going to do it the way we normally do it, but somehow we may change a bit. You know, yesterday, if you notice, yesterday I did not flip camera often because of the people that were using their platform. They're kind of giving me some warning, and I have to follow the rules. But we must do the needful. We must touch everything that we need to touch. Please, I hope my voice is coming out very, very clear because I don't want to, be talking to myself. I don't want to be talking to myself alone, also everybody to hear me. I want to, to be honest with you, a lot of information is out there that I would like to discuss, but let me just try my best to be focused on why we are here. Okay. Um, we have heard at least some of us have seen this video, this audio that I just played now. He just released this audio maybe, should I say, a few, okay, 2 hours ago. 2 hours ago, I was watching it live before I came online, so I decided to air it here so that my people will also hear what Holy Ghost have to say. Okay. Now, there's information that's an important information from Kanunta, what he said. Some of us don't really like to hear anything about US or maybe Kanunta because of what happened, a few years back. Okay, and what they believe that that is best for them to do. I think I have Owen Palace. If that's your name, I see you. He said yes. At least this is a. Okay, he said thank you, brother. You too much. Okay, I think today is my first time of seeing your comment. To be honest, nice to have you in this live broadcast. Thank you all. Thank you all. If I don't mention your name, please, I'm sorry. Odumoke is here. Odumoke, I think you are Dudua, brother. Nice to see you. Nice to have you. Yes, well, son. Okay, thank you. So some of us are not happy. We don't pay much attention about what Kanu have to say and what some DS. In fact, some of us don't even like to. Some of us have contacted, sending message to me. They contact me. They're telling me I should stop talking about these people that are irrelevant, and they are not they don't deserve that attention. But we have to understand something. Sometimes you learn something from other people's mistakes. That you are supporting Biafran government in Israel, or you are happy with the way things are moving. You are in support. You are in support of the whole thing that is happening. You love the way PM, piloting the affairs and everything. Does not mean that you may not deviate tomorrow. So we need to get it right. So sometimes the spirit from other people, what they will be sending a lot of things to you as well. So it's not easy. It's only God that will keep you on the side of the truth. So it's always good. It's always good for you to know what you want and stand by it. Don't just waste much of your time thinking that you know it all. Sometimes if you look at your left and right to know what is happening, then it will help you to move forward. What I'm trying to say is that just whenever you see me bringing information from them or discussing about them, they are part of it. They are part of it because so that you that's on the right track will not make the same mistake they made. Do you understand? Now, having said that, let's go straight to what Koiki, so not Koiki, Kanu said. I said Koiki because Koiki message just pop out from my system here. I just want, but let me go straight to what I have. Kanu says something very, very important. First of all, he said, I will flip the camera because it's not a dangerous image. So I don't think it should be a problem because what the owner of the platforms, what they're saying is that I'm committing a crime in their own words. So I have to be careful. The crucifixion of Chike Doziemo by Ejiofor, the declaration of Mazi Chike Doziemo as a wanted person by Nigerian army was planned by Barrister Ejiofor and the army chief as a comeback way to infiltrate IPOB as government informant. No. Hold on. Government informant. I don't know if you followed what I just said. You know why I am flipping the camera, for you to know that I'm not just making it up. If you are following him, of course, you must have seen this post. He posted it today, 4 hours ago. You can see. So the crucifixion of Chike Doziemo by Ejiofor, you know, this is just his Twitter handle name. The declaration of Mazi Chike Doziemo as a wanted person by Nigerian Army was planned by Barrister Ejiofor and the Army chiefs as a comeback way to infiltrate IPOB as a government informant. Okay, he is outside. He is out. He is okay. He is ousted. I think he's ousted from the IPOB. They have removed him, and Martin Mccan's Lego team. He's no longer part of it. So whatever he's doing, that's what he's trying to say here. And why did he choose now to say this? Does it mean that he knows this? He knows this for a very long time, or is it now getting clearer to him? What do you think that is playing out? For some of you who said, what I mean by some of you, not my followers, I mean those of them that from the other camp, who actually believe that what Oyendu said in the courtroom the other day, that he have anybody in mind saying those things. You can you can just fuse any name to the statement, but you cannot force Oyendu to say what he don't want to say. You can't do that. So he knows what he's saying, and what he said is not different from what we know him for a very long time. Manakano is not he's not a violent person. He's not somebody who likes to buy. He's not that kind of person. I don't know why some people think that Mazinakani is this kind of Hitler. No, he's not. He's a very, very calm individual. Very, very calm. Very well articulated thinker. He don't jump to conclusion just because others are doing it. No, he have his own mindset. He knows what he wants, and he goes for it. This is what Kanunta said. Okay, if you have been following what PM have said from day one, after the kidnap of President Kanu, there's a popular say by Biafrans now, and Nigerian eyes, okay, Ejiofor is the eyes of Nigerians in IPB. That was what PM said. It is not different from what PM have said. If you read this thing that Kanunta posted, there's no different. This is just to validate and to confirm everything PM have said in the past concerning this barrister. You understand what I mean? And what Kanunta said here is an eye opener. Just think about it. The name Chike Dozem, who has been sleeping underground for ages. Okay, not that he's innocent. No, Nigerian government should be clapping for him. Using his I don't know if he's involved, if he's the one that commanding, telling them what to do, but it is obvious that the group that is the department that he's claimed that he's leading have committed a lot of things against our people. So many of them. This is not propaganda. I don't engage myself in with this kind of propaganda or cook up stories and to blackmail other people. No, I don't do that. It is very, very clear that these people have committed something that even is against our tradition, our culture. When they committed a lot of crime just to make it at home to look bad. I don't want to talk about what happened between them and the ESN that Mazin kind of formed. That's another school, another department's own. If you are to go into that one, we are not going to end this program. But I'm just trying to take the recent one, the one they did without hiding, the one they did without, thinking twice. They committed those things. Even it trust Biafrans. a lot of video is now coming out how he confirmed that they are working actually to help Nigerian government to buy our people, and they have buyed a lot of people. And when Oyendu said anybody committing crime, anybody working out, he mentioned a lot of things there. And when you look, if you begin to think about it, to go deep about it, you have no choice. Unless if you are not following the information in the past, maybe you're a newcomer, then I will consider. I will understand that you are not supposed to know all those things. You understand? Understand that you are not supposed to know all those things. You understand? You are not supposed to know all those things. Now, this is a voice note of a video, not even a voice note of a Ejiofor. Just listen very, very carefully. Then you understand what Kanunta.
I merely issue a reminder.
Just listen.
I merely issue a reminder on 16th of March 2023, detailing the activities of Simon Ekpa.
What is going on? I don't know. I think let me refresh my system. Let me refresh.
And also pointing to
Okay.
the fact that I think that merely issue a reminder on 16th of March 2023, detailing the activities of Simon Ekpa. And also pointing to the fact that I think that the peaceful movement have established themselves in gross publication and also volunteer to assist the Secretary in fishing out this criminal element. These are not I think that the peaceful movement have established themselves in gross publication and also volunteer to assist the Secretary in fishing out this criminal element. These are not I merely issue a reminder.
So, if unless you don't want to listen, because this one is very, very clear. Kanu said that IPB are one and one and small. This evidence is one and one and small. You don't need to. Can you just hear that? Just try to think about it. That he issued a joint according to what he said, just to help, and that IPOB are different from these people. Then you ask yourself, what is it that IPOB are distancing themselves from? What is that? Did PM is there any crime in Abuja that's been committed and they said it's PM that have committed that? I don't understand. So what do Ejiofor want is to, after sitting Mazen to cripple every voice, anybody that will rise against the presence of or humiliation or and torment of Nigerian security force. So this guy is very, very mean, to be honest with you. If not for Simon Ekpa, if all of us would have regrets even talking about Biafra in the first place, because by now, my goodness, Operation Python, that was just a child play. Would have been a child play to compare what they would be doing in our land today. In fact, you in Igbo youth or Biafra youth, for you to go anywhere, you have to dress like a woman. Otherwise, there was a time after the kidnapping of Mazen Namodagan, I could remember the time the Nigerian army and security agencies were, taking people, going to the village and picking up youths for no just reason. And that it was once they pick them up, that's the end. It happened, and people were, complaining about it. Imagine Mazen Namodagan in the hands of DSS, and they will be bringing such reports to him. It simply means that all the years of his teaching, awareness, everything will become nothing. It yield no fruit, zero fruit. But PM, as God may have it, was able, at the space of how long? He joined in 2020, and 2019 to 2020, and Mazen was kidnapped in 2021. It's not even up to 2 years, and he was able to understand and comprehend everything that Mazen already wants. He understood it very, very well. Do you know that even today, some of them who are mouthpiece of DOS are still say, when you read their post and the comment, they are still not, they don't even, they're still the way they are. They have not changed. They don't even have that kind of rethink. I will prove it to you. Let me bring up this post. Hmm? Let me bring up this post. I don't know if I have to. Did I not share this? Wait. Oh, I did not share it. Okay, I did not share it. Let me go to the post. Um, just hold on, because he made a post. Yes, here we are. Here we are. He made a post about Oduduwa. Okay, this is from US. One of them, they are one of the media team. This is one of what he said. The Oduduwa self-determination movement has declared movement. They have declared their movement. I think that's what he wanted to say. He said, but let me read it where he put it. The Oduduwa determination movement has declared the movement a non-violent agitating movement, preaching the message of self-determination in accordance with the United Nations and African Charter as enshrined. The movement is going from market to market, community to community, village to village, preaching the message of Republic of Oduduwa. They want to separate from Nigerian Union. They are very peaceful and non-report and non and no report of Nigerian police or army, okay, clamping down on them. Now, what this guy is saying here is to don't have the message no volume, no volume. Please, is it true? You don't hear my voice is not coming out. It's not muted here. It's not muted here. Please, can you confirm if my voice is coming out? Am I talking to myself? No voice. Wow. Emo AJ said no. You mean no, it's not true? Is my voice out? Yes or no? Yes is out or no is not out. Can somebody confirm? Happy me just through a bunch here. No, I can hear you. I can hear you now. Okay. No, okay, your voice is coming out. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you. So what this guy is trying to say here is to, a kind of, have you seen they are peaceful and you are trying to go in violence way. You want to fight. That's what he's trying to say. Thank you so much. Thank you all. Thank you. Yes, yes, you have confirmed it. Thank you. So what he's trying to say is that you guys want to fight, and the Oduduwa is not fighting. They are peaceful. He's praising their style, their way of agitation, which is good. It's very, very good. But don't forget that Biafra have gone beyond this. Biafra were like this, even more peaceful than this. At least they're going to market. If you go to market in Igbo land, it's a problem. They will say that they will feel threatened because the name of Biafra. Only that name is, trigger the anger of Nigeria as an entity. It will trigger their anger. So you can't compare Oduduwa people with Biafrans. It's not the same. Oduduwa people, number one, they are not conquered people in terms of Nigerian politics. They have not conquered them. Whereas Biafran have been conquered. They see you as a victim of war. You don't. Do you really think that Nigerian system cares about you? No. You are just like a property that's been looted from war. Maybe as a soldier, as a warrior, you fought for war and you fought and you conquered your enemies. You made away with their properties and their belongings. That's what they see at the Igbos and the Southeasterners as. They see you as one of their properties that benefit of the war. Whereas Oduduwa is not. But he's here a kind of praising them. That it's good to praise them, like I said, it's very, very good. But Oduduwa people are not stupid. This pattern, what they're doing then is what they should do. You have to do your homework first before you can answer, okay, we are going to take it whether they like it or not. Win the heart of the people. And because of the unity in the Yoruba land, they are going to, pick up very, very soon. They are going to, start. They're not going to waste time like us. They're not going to waste time like us. You see them, as long as the preaching penetrates. If the message penetrates, it depends on who is teaching them or who is preaching this Oduduwa nation. It depends on who is doing that. That will determine the how soon they will wake up. But this is the best way to go. That's the in fact, there's no other way to start agitating for Oduduwa Republic without this kind of movement. So it's a welcome development. But my concern is why I'm bringing it here is DOS member putting it out there as if that they themselves that is what I mean by them themselves, I'm talking about the DOS, that they are for peaceful movement, whereas others are not. But they are not even peaceful. That's one thing. DOS say that they are non-violent, but they are more violent than even any other group. The only violence group that you can compare in Nigeria today, after Fulani herdsmen, Boko Haram, Nigerian Army, and all of them, next violence group you mention is those ones they called DOS. I'm not trying to indict them or to say something that a kind of that Nigerian government should go after them. No. What I'm trying to say is they are putting that violence on our people through a Bubago. Catapult the Bubago is using today. I was told, I'm not sure, I'm not part of them, but I was told, I heard that most of the catapults are the catapult that Biafra ESN, the Mazda kind of formed. They sold those catapults to them, to the Bubago. Most of the commanders in the Bubago today were commanders in ESN, when that Mazda kind of formed. Some of them they are there because they are set to be. Remember that before the buy Ikonso, it was reported that Hope Uzodinma called Ikonso, approached Ikonso to head the Bubago's camp, to be the overall commander. With a huge amount of money they promised him, he refused. Okay, he don't want to accept. Of course, some of his people who sold him out were looking at him like an idiot. He had that I wish that I am the one that have the opportunity, but they did not voice out. He also thought that all of them were together and all that. We know the end of it. So let us not get it wrong, because Oduduwa people, they are doing what they should do. They are doing their homework for now, which Mazagan have done in the past. But if you try to do similar thing that they're doing in Oduduwa land, is a different thing. So we are not our case and their case is not the same thing. Don't make that mistake. So that is it for now. Let us move to another thing. Let's move to another thing. Yesterday, there's a video that I shared with us. I played that. I did not flip the camera. Did I? No, I did not. Where this guy that said that he's the ordinary president from the northern part, the post that I have before me, made it clear that he's from Kogi State. I did not know that he's from Kogi. But the only people that have their brain intact in Nigeria today are Fulani. Every other ethnic group in Nigeria, whether you are Igbo, Yoruba, Efik, name it, our brain is somehow shaking, seriously shaking. Why do I say so? It's only Fulani that knows what they want, and they can perceive threat. Any threat, anything, anybody that bringing threat to what they want to achieve, they will perceive it ahead, and they will go after that thing. But other ethnic group, will be clapping for the problem. You see your problem dealing with you. Your job is clapping, celebrating, whereas your family is going. Just this is what 247 posted, and I felt so pained, for the people of Kogi State. They have this man who is ranting and calling himself ordinary president, shouting, "Oh, if I were president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, I will go to Finland and bring someone by death or alive." But his hometown. Let me show you the picture. Let me show you the picture. This is what is happening in his home, in his own town, hometown. I mean, in Kogi State. Look at him, this man. Okay, these houses you are seeing that is being burned down and destroyed like this. Not one, not two, not three. Look at them. He is from Kogi. This thing happened in Kogi State, where he come from. And he don't care about anything. He don't care about anything at all that is happening in his own village, as long as he's protected and Fulani is making sure that his human rights radio, according to him, is functioning properly. And if there's any contribution, they can. Is it not money? Okay, you need 30 million. Okay, we give you 50. Keep the change in case of emergency. They have it. Oh, Alhaji, you have done me well. Oh, Alhaji. Nigerian now. We blast. We always, we follow any criminal that can. Any generous criminal is better than any decent any decent human being that is not generous. Generous in the sense that you're a criminal, you rob people and you spread the money. You are the best. In fact, next time you are going for robbery operation, we'll be the one to give you information on how to go about it. As long as you are giving us our own court, that's the black people for you. This man, what is happening in his own village? What is it between this man now with P2B? He's not a politician yet. Put him to become president. Maybe you see, because what he's doing now in his so-called radio, people that have any issue, you go there, maybe they buy your husband. Your husband was not able to pay hospital bill, and if your husband, buy in the hospital, and you can't feed your children, they are out from school. They are out from school. You don't even have house, and you manage to see yourself in his program. He will give you 10 mil or 5 mil. He will ask you to contribute. Okay, but now bring your account. My people will do some. That's his people. He don't have any people. Only people that he's doing the bidding, using his platform to preach, to deceive those who are not thinking well. How can you tell me that in your own community that is being burned and destroyed like this, and that's your platform that you have a very huge number of followers? You don't use it to preach, to criticize what is happening in your community. That's to tell you that is a political job. You are on assignment. That is somebody who is telling you that he will go to Finland. Because if he knows what he's talking about, he should know that there's a process for you to even go to Finland to kidnap people. Maybe he thinks that Finland is Kaduna. Let me not waste much time on this, but I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. They don't do what they're supposed to do in their own house, but they love to focus on another people's what is going on in another people's house. We have PM, we trust him, we love him. We have Masman Mekano, we trust him, we love him. So you that are from other ethnic group, you are not Biafran, and you see it, that is a problem to you. PM have never ever sanctioned anything that affects your state, Kogi. Are we the same thing? We are not brothers? You are there. Yes, there's Igbo people in Kogi State, which is a different thing, because that's part of the problem that we are facing in Nigeria. That's part of the problem. Taking our people to carve them out to another place, and at the same time tell us that we don't need to talk. There's a video that I will play, but not in this program, just to prove to you what Igbo people are going through. Do you know that I watched that video and I asked myself, if this is the truth, if this what he said is what they said in that video is actually the fact, the real thing that's happening to Igbo people, then we are very, very strong to even to be where we are today. That if everybody feel threatened when you mention Igbo people, when you mention Biafra, when you mention Igbo race, every other ethnic group, even though some of them will pretend that, oh, we are together, we love you, we want US, but deep down their mind, they feel threatened. I don't know why. I don't know why. I'm not going to say much about it until I played that video for you people to hear. But that video is basically in Igbo language, so get ready for it. But not in this program. I'm not going to bring it here because I don't want this video to be too long. I will bring it later. If we have opportunity to broadcast again tonight, I may do that. But I'm not sure. It's not a guarantee that I will be live again today. Hopefully I may, but I may not. Let's go to another thing. So yesterday also I played a video of Ikenga where Ikenga was laughing that he played a clip from PM where PM was telling Biafran and the security force to be resolute, to stand and to make sure that they defend the land, that they have rights to do so. He copied that part and he was yapping nonsense about it. Now, I want just a reminder. It's an old video of Ikenga, but I will show you that all these people know that what PM is doing is the right thing, but because of their political interests, because of what they want to gain, because of their targets, they always turn around to criticize and to show hatred. But let's continue. This is Ikenga. That were most of you have seen this video, but if you have not, this is an opportunity for you to know what he said in the past, and you can see the anger. Listen. If I, Ikenga, open my mouth and say that you are not doing well, then I am a fool. But you have to stop. Now, why must you stop something that is going well? I mean, does it make sense? Why must you? You said that if I tell you that you are not getting it right, if I tell you that you are not doing it well, if I, Ikenga, open my mouth and say that you are not doing it well, then I'm a fool. But you must stop. How can you stop something that is going well? Something that is, I mean, this is for you to know that God, when God wants to expose your enemy, he can use anything. The only thing your own job is to be able to have open mind, gather your brain together, okay? Gather your brain together to understand the message, the hidden fact that you have been searching for, the hidden things that you don't know. God will reveal it to you very, very cheap because you belong to God. This guy came out on his camera, on his own. No, nobody forced him. Nobody, he was not even arguing with anybody. After taking his meal, he drank water, relaxed on his chair, in his own comfort home, on camera. Your voice, okay. You are watching. I think you are walking from back. You are watching from behind. It's okay. So he, Armstrong said exactly. Armstrong, I think I dropped one of your comments that I really want to read that before. Let me before. Oh my God, I forgot to. There's something that he said before that when their voice was playing. He said I always knew all this why it was Ejiofor's plan. Okay, that Ejiofor actually want to use to to come back, find his way back to become the eyes like he was, but he's dead on arrival now. He's dead like Dodo. There's no way it will. Do you think people are fool? Now, there's a reason why his videos, clips is now surfacing on social media just to validate what Biafran have already known about him. Yeah, trust Igbo people now, not ordinarily to gain support of an Igbo people. You have to you have to be very very clean. Go and check the history of anybody that a group of Igbo people are singing praises of you. My dear, you are working very very hard. Half of your activities if you do that in another ethnic group in Nigeria, they will be worshiping you. Half of it, but you have to do double for an Igbo man to call you human being. Just like me now, that I'm doing this broadcast now. Somehow, people start maybe love me or like what I'm doing, and you value me. If I use that, take the advantage of that, think that I have arrived or I can now hold me. Only 1 week. Only 1 week, Igbo people will teach you a lesson that you will never forget. Master Kanu said it in the past. So anybody if you are from Igbo, I'm not talking about Biafra in general, and I'm talking about specifically for Igbo people. If you are an Igbo person and you have opportunity, the grace, Igbo people gave you chance, praise you for what you are doing, and you think that a homie, I know how to, I can do this. If you want me to touch some people that have tried it recently, and how they ended up. Do you know the time when there was a time people were singing praises of this guy, Christie's News? I don't want to go further. There was a time people were singing praises of even this Ikenga. When people think that Mazi, there that time he was shooting, he shoot his video from his shop where he's selling with on and all that. People were respecting him. Do you understand? Once you abuse that respect, Igbo people will push you before you regain yourself again. It will take you century. It will take you. You have the opportunity to do nonsense, no problem. But after doing it, what next? Where is Gaddafi today? Many of them, so many. So let me not deviate from what I'm saying. Ikenga, open mouth here. If I tell you that you are not getting it right, I'm a fool. Nobody forced him. Willingly, he came out and on his own, on camera, record it and publish it. I don't know what he was going to. Do you really think that he did not ask himself if will someone take me serious? The answer is no. He know, but what pushed him to make this video is God in heaven. Only God can do this kind of work. Nobody. Did we preach to him? No. Did anybody push him? No. Did you promise him? Nothing. Let me play it again so that maybe you just watch it and think that it's ordinary. No, it's not ordinary. It's not. Just listen. Stop. Let me play it because this video. Wait. This video is best when you are watching it. Like, is best you enjoy it more. You enjoy it more when you are watching the body language, his hand gesture, everything. You enjoy it more watching it on video, not audio. That's why I have to flip it back. If I open my mouth to say that you're not doing well, then I'm a fool. But stop. Simon, I'm warning you, stop. Walk accordingly. Do not be faster than your son. Do not follow the rubbish they're talking about. If I take an open my mouth. The funny part where this guy got me rolling is where he want to when he want to pull out, take his hat out. He was dragging it. Look at it like cheap person. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Oh my goodness.
Simon, I'm warning you, stop. Stop.
Okay.
Work accordingly. Do not
Work accordingly. Really. People are very, very funny. And some of them will say, what is your concern? Why are you defending Ekberima? Why are you supporting Ekberima? Now, for some of you who have such questions, let me tell you why some of us are speaking out. Why some of us are kind of calling it the way it is, because what that thing that you call your ambition, that thing you call your political plan, you want to become senator when those senators get retired, because they don't retire until they buy. That's how it is. Or what might happen to them, then there's a vacancy for you to climb up. Now, if you're one of them, if you have such ambition and your focus is in that line, you think like that, then you have to understand that your decision and your attitude, what your actions are affecting us and our own family as well. Because we have children, and our children, we don't want what happened to us happen to our children. When somebody who is helping us to get to gain our freedom is doing it, and your own job is to pour sand in the effort, then it is our duty to also tell you that you are affecting us. You get that sand that you are pouring is actually entering our eyes, and we have to stop you from doing so. This is not about between you and Samanekpa. It's about between you and people of Biafra. So some of them think that you know like this same Ikenga said that instead of Samanekpa to bring Biafra, that they will scatter everything. That what kind of freedom fighter says that? You scatter everything. So that is it. I hope what Ejiofor said, that one sink in your mind very, very well. That they assured them that they will work together to help Nigerian security force to feed them out. That is when you sell the camp and ESN camp, like Chike Rosenmu have said in the video that when he was doing broadcast, all of them have. I think there's nothing hidden anymore. Everything is now open. People can now see what actually happened and why we are where we are today. Armstrong said, I have a lot of people. Okay, they are not after Oduduwa people. What do you mean they are not after Oduduwa people? You mean, can you explain to me what is the name of this person? Koroma Gali. Can you? I think that's your name is Gali, Galle. If you are still here, tell me what you mean by they are not after the Dua people. Who are you referring to? Godwin Ezekiel said, "Good afternoon, bro. Good afternoon to you, Simon." Okay. Simon Armstrong, sorry, said, "If Simon is doing it well, then why should he stop?" Exactly. For you to know that when God wants to expose them, He will know how to bring them out. Are you back? Are you baked? What do you mean by baked, Mr. Nice? You stoned. Okay, this I think this is one of the Indian guys. Godwin, as I said, that is DOS. Armstrong Ikenga has never been a freedom fighter. Never. To be honest with you, he got me there. I was thinking that he's decent human being. Not until the kingdom of Kanu really exposed many things, to be honest. And some of them some of them got it wrong because of Ejiofor. Ejiofor, being that he's a legal lead counsel and all this, all this title, people were thinking that he's decent and he's not going to mess around, that everything will work perfectly, that he's there for good, and he gave them wrong advice. Most of this thing that US did is an advice from Ejiofor. But where they have to hold the blame is they're supposed to know when someone is deceiving them, when someone is not with them, and when someone is actually trying to take advantage of the chance they have given to him as a lawyer. Ejiofor jumped from being a lawyer and lead counsel to being a mouthpiece of the IPOB and what do they call it, middleman between Nigerian and the US. So and Nigerian and the IPOB. So he used that opportunity to climb up, and he actually betrayed everybody from A to Z, from A to Z.
Welu fuel ahụ ji na-amụ moto ọkụ, moto nwanne gị ka ị na-amụ ọkụ anụ ụlọ. All this girigiri unu na-eme ọ bụrụ ya ga-enye anyị ihe anyị na-achọ. Unu nwa ji Nnamdi Kanu ebe ọ. Release Nnamdi Kanu. If you don't release Nnamdi Kanu, then election is that. Who told you that? Who told you that? Ihe na-achọ bụ ka isi ka the face of international, ka ị draw their attention, ka ị were nwayọ gosi ha ji ihe ndị Naijiria na-eme. Kịta iwelugo kirikiri ndị a na-afụzi ajị ihe Nigerian gọọmenti na-eme nọ ajị ihe ị na-emezi ka ha na-afụ ịfọrọ ya. Nnamdi Kanu na-adọrọ attention, ọ bụ shake everywhere, draw attention, ọ step onye down, onye ọbụla arịlas ya afụ ajị ihe ndị Naijiria na-eme. Mana ndị dị ka gị ya na-ewere wo kirikiri ichere egwuru akwụkwọ ọbụla mmadụ ma ibu akwụkwọ ịbụrụ bụ English, another person's language. Some of you don't even know how to speak Igbo language. When I'm not case as you know this really like that, but that's so you go flow now and get that way. You got a demi where you got as soon as no, you manage here, that pass your school, English school. If you don't even go, the most intelligent person. You are nothing but a very big fool. It's never like an arm, let's get them man or John. The full idea finish going to have now. Yes, and that's your hand. Get out, there's a balance. And she said, let's get the eye with John. And I am able to live that door. Maybe no water, or water, Milano, the banana, half, not the one I add more hardship to way. They believe we will get this everywhere. Yeah? A pioneer. Una forces in a man no election. But you all know if you don't know what to say. But you all know it. Keep quiet. Welo fuel ahụ ji na-amụ moto ọkụ, moto nwanne gị ka ị na-amụ anụ ụlọ. All this girigiri unu na-eme ọ bụrụ ya ga-enye anyị ihe anyị na-achọ. Unu nwa ji Nnamdi Kanu ebe ọ nọ. Ejebinati, release Nnamdi Kanu. If you don't release Nnamdi Kanu, then election is that. Who told you that? Who told you that? Ihe na-achọ bụ ka isi ka the face of international, ka ị draw their attention, ka ị were nwayọ gosi ha ji ihe ndị Naijiria na-eme. Kịta iwelugo kirikiri ndị a na-afụzi ajị ihe Nigerian gọọmenti na-eme nọ ajị ihe ị na-emezi ka ha na-afụ ịfọrọ ya. Nnamdi Kanu na-adọrọ attention, ọ bụ shake everywhere, draw attention, ọ step onye down, onye ọbụla arịlas ya afụ ajị ihe ndị Naijiria na-eme. Mana ndị dị ka gị ya na-ewere wo kirikiri ichere egwuru akwụkwọ ọbụla mmadụ ma ibu akwụkwọ ịbụrụ bụ English, another person's language. Some of you don't even know how to speak Igbo language. When I'm not case as you know this really like that, but that's so you go flow now and get that way. You got a demi where you got as soon as no, you manage here, that pass your school, English school. If you don't even go, the most intelligent person. You are nothing but a very big fool. If you never like an arm, let's get them mad what you're now. The full idea finish going to have now. Yes, and that's your hand. Get out, there's a balance. And she said, let's get the eye with John. And I am able to live that door. Maybe no water, or water, Milano, the banana half. add more hardship to Umwabwe. Everywhere. Yeah? Apparently, una forces in a man no election. But you all know if you don't know what to say. But you all know keep quiet.
This is a product of listening to someone and take the information, whatever the person gave to you, you just run with it without doing your own homework. Ejiofor told them all these things, like what he's saying here, that there will be election. Don't mind them. You understand? And they use that because Ejiofor is more educated, more exposed than them. So everything he says, they will say yes, sir, no problem. Our able lawyer, our Ejiofor is a learned, is a lead counsel, Master. He's the one that advises Master on almost everything Master is doing. That he is the one. They believe him, and they don't know that Ejiofor is not what they think they are. But they have gone far. Coming back now is difficult for them. It's very, very difficult for them. Anyway, he said the idiot was laughing at Simon Ekpa when he was called for interrogation, which is true. I played the video here also. So guys, I will end it here. Okay, I'll end it here. Probably we are going to be live again today. Hopefully, maybe I'll be live again next hour to bring to you the other information that I wanted to share with us, but I cannot do it here because we are now 1 hour plus here in this live broadcast. So I feel that people don't like to watch long video, so let me just cut it off for now. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Armstrong, enjoy your day. Godwin, Ezekiel, I agree to enjoy your day. Nice to have you guys. Thank you. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Like the video. Follow me on Facebook. Have a wonderful evening, afternoon, morning, depending on your time zone. See you again later. Bye for now. Thank you, guys. Thank you.